of all this, you know, आपने भी सोचा था I'm going into this industry.
Right.
So somewhere you never know, people can connect you with the actor or
Right.
So how you prepared yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, you know, don't let
Yes.
it come to my head and, you know, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my
Yes.
career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most.
let me tell you. You are
Yes,
single,
yes.
not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema, is my first love, and it will always be my first.
Maybe
love.
must be people loving your Raj Tarun and your Jodi is going
Yeah,
rocking.
that is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, you know, loving it, and the most
Yeah.
of the tsunami masalas are going around about
Yeah,
you.
because see, he's also a good performer. I also give my, so people might love our
And it's your
chemistry in the film.
first Telugu movie with a star. तो वो sentiments respect होती है. They become
Right.
your friends.
Yeah.
Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Yeah,
Like Ajay Devgan के साथ तब्बू जी को लगा दिया जाता है. They
Yeah.
are good friends.
they are good friends.
So
yeah.
I think in industry it always works. Who's your first star, you have a sentiments, you know.
Right.
So how you take that friendship, and you know when it comes to friendship.
I feel that if you are a good friends, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them for all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is, like, if we meet good people,
Yes.
we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days, and then we'll say bye bye.
Yeah.
So it's up to us. Like, if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them. So we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those same
that.
office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project.
Yeah.
So how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in pan India or it's in Telugu only
They
going to
are
happen?
for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, you know, your friends must be from north, like they
Yeah.
are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
Yeah, it is
Huh.
globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely, it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just the starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, you know. When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In
Yeah.
family also,
Yeah.
when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents,
Yeah.
so somewhere father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When
Yeah.
something comes on father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Raj Tarun in stress, how you want to support him? Or like say something for him? So that he,
See, I really don't understand what is his personal life,
Yeah.
what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that, you know, everything falls into place, and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that, you know, everyone should live their life in
Yes,
peace. That
yes.
is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't you know, make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
but
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about
no,
you.
we
and-
didn't had any conversations about her, and this topic only came when, you know, she called me
Promotions.
and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life, because it's his personal life, and if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all. You know, that's
target.
all my target is right now.
So after this Telugu cinema, what makes you busy so much now?
I'm shooting for Tamil as well, and I'm shooting for one Punjabi next month. And there are a few more things coming up in Hindi too. So everything is just
I
going
think after
good.
this Telugu movie got clicked, how you gonna like take this success and then you're doing Punjabi, then you're doing Hindi, then you're doing Tamil. Then how it's like a mix of, already you're a pan India now, you're exploring that, right?
Yeah, I feel that language is just it's just a barrier, but I don't feel it's a barrier too, because if you that emotional language it's universal,
Yes,
and
yes.
you can't just, if you get work from all the languages and it's good work, I think you should go for it. And Tamil cinema also, I'm very big fan of Tamil, and I've already worked in Malayalam.
Okay.
Last year my Malayalam film released and got me good name in Malayalam as well, and really people liked my de-glamorized role in my Malayalam film.
Okay.
And I am, as an artist, because I'm a theatrical artist, I love to explore different characters and different kind of cinema and different scripts basically. For women especially, we rarely get to perform in
Yes.
the films, and if I get a chance to do good kind of roles, I will definitely pick up from any language.
I remember in your last interview, you said about Mahesh Babu that
Yeah.
you met Mahesh Babu, you were opposite to his
Yeah,
house,
yeah.
and then after that, any other incidents happen, like you got a chance to meet Allu Arjun sir or Junior NTR sir or
No.
something. You have like
Actually, I've been invited for the SIMA and there's 2-3 award functions.
Okay.
Now also this some award is there, CCL Awards in Mumbai.
okay.
On 21st, I got the invite, but I really didn't. Whenever I want to go for some event, something or the other work is happening. So it's always clashing, but I didn't get the chance to meet all of them.